start. The war could have been evaded second time too during the Cairo meeting of the Arab nations. There also it was possible the discussions could have been led in that way. But again, the way the President of Egypt conducted the meeting, all such possibilities were neutralized. That was about the 12th of August. At that time, as I have said, it was possible to avoid war. Para. It was again possible in January itself when the United Nations Secretary General went to Baghdad and had meeting with both the foreign minister and Saddam Hussein. I do not know why his report was not made public then. This report clearly states that Saddam Hussein was willing to listen, and that was my impression also when I met Saddam Hussein in August as well. I did not think that Saddam Hussein was inflexible. All those who now project that war was foreseeable all that time live in a world that is far away from reality. All of those who were dealing with diplomacy at one level or the other were not only hoping but also believing that war could be avoided and the lingering problem could be sorted out peacefully. Now we see that it is the peaceful citizens who have suffered and are in the midst of misery. Para. Saying this, I do not mean that in any way India at any stage condoned the occupation of Kuwait by Iraq. We were in step with the rest of the world. Very frequently in this house, I had myself presented and enunciated details of other policies as the Gulf crisis was developed. Para. I had stated that our policy was three pronged rather four pronged. 1. We were against the occupation of Kuwait. We wanted Kuwait to be evacuated. We were keen that this problem should be sorted out peacefully. That is why, even while voting in the United Nations, every time we said it. Para. Last time, when I addressed the United Nations at the end of September, I insisted on it. I said that the problem could be and should be sorted out peacefully. The third aspect that persistently emphasized was that it should be possible to work out a solution of entire problem of West Asia. This is the three-pronged policy. Para. Then there was a fourth dimension of it. That dimension was very close to our list. It was the fate and lot of our fellow citizens living in Kuwait and in Iraq. Stop.